Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be potting up the kit that I purchased from the live sale on Instagram from Reclaim It. I did an unboxing on that. If you guys missed that video, I will be linking it down below so you can check it out, and as well as her page if you want to go check it out. She has a video on Instagram where she demonstrates how she put together one of these kits, so you can find it probably in one of her Instagram feeds. It should be there somewhere. So yeah, she packs them on there really tightly. I don't know how she's able to do it, but I'm gonna try to attempt the same thing, and I'm gonna try to attempt to pack this as well as I can. I'm gonna go start off with this beautiful jade. She's so pretty. I want her probably to be right there. I'm gonna use a pencil just so that I can make a hole there and just stick her right there. The way she's shaped, she's gonna have to go on this side. She might have to go in last just because her branch is so thick, and I think I'm gonna go first with the potted ones because I think those are gonna be more challenging. Okay. So I know I want this to be in the front here. Just let me just move all these cuttings. Oopsie. Okay. I might use them all and I might not, so we'll see. I'm gonna have to I want her in there. Okay, that's good. So I'm just pressing on there tightly. Okay, so that's in there, and then I don't know how I want to do the pearls yet. I know I do want them in there, I just don't know exactly how. I'm just gonna go ahead and place maybe this one back here. Zoom that in for you. That's better. Succulents do well when they're packed together. I've seen them, they still grow, so they're fine. I know I don't want to use it all. I want to use some of it, so I'm just gonna move it around and see how it separates on its own. Right here. Okay. I don't know where I want these. These are so pretty. Maybe I want them in the front. Thank you for all the wonderful feedback I got on my pig yesterday. If you guys haven't seen my pig arrangement, check that out. I was so happy with the way it turned out. Okay, put you back here. So cute. The hole keeps backfilling. Just press it in there as tight as you can. It'll be fine. Okay. Hey guys, here it is all done. I think it turned out super pretty. I think it's a really pretty kit. I think also anybody would probably enjoy receiving this as a gift. You know, it's not only something that you send them, but something that they can do, you know, and have hands-on and feel accomplished that they put it together. I don't know, it's pretty interesting. I like it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye guys, have a blessed day.